All right, welcome audience to spectating from another car. I think this is really fun. I've been doing it a bunch. We just spectate and follow our friends through here. We're not even drifting or doing anything else. We're just applying a little bit of pressure visually to them and watching them get through here. You can see everybody makes a little bit of a mistake right there because the second gear goes too short. I tried to shift to third earlier and stuffed it. You have two different lines here. One swings out and then one is a little mangy. He kind of did a little mixture of both. This section is really, really cool. You come up over this hill, the car unloads, and like, that was really cool. I normally am going a bit faster and have to brake, but he got it to float out and was under throttle the entire time, which makes a really different line. You'll notice there's pine needles everywhere, and it really changes the amount of grip the car has. Because if you hit those pine needles or leaves, you can just like lose all traction and go off track. That is one lap. All right, Mark, let's do a lap. Let's heckle. Here it comes. Drifting, e-brake, lots of gas through here. This is the very beginning. I hope I don't screw up and stuff this car again. Second gear here. This is a bit more angle than I normally go through right here. Here's the scariest part of this track right here. Coming around and lose second gear. It's too short. I didn't have the ball to go to third. Here we go. Let's go. Manji this time. Manji. So we're gonna manji there. That outside line is really dirty right now, so you have to be really careful. Here we go up the hill. This is second gear. Extend up, up, up. Now we have to slow down. A lot of foot brake here. I want to stay off that asphalt. So we stayed off the asphalt, made sure we weren't rude there. Now we're gonna take this line. Woo! This is fun. Going down a little bit of foot brake. We're gonna go off. Gotta keep the turbo car revved up. I let it bog a little bit. And here we come. One more lap because I can't ever stop. I felt the steering bind a little bit there. It is a little bit of a janky car that still had together. Bubble gum. Going up the hill. Man, the JZ sounds amazing. My blood is really pumping here. I heard the tires coming apart. So we're gonna do much slower through here now because the tires are dead. But that's okay, we're gonna finish up the lap strong. Hopefully we don't stuff this thing with dead tires. Avoid the pothole, be nice, big kids. With the trees. Yeah, that tree got knocked down by someone yesterday. That's not good. And here we go, last corner. Rev it up, I felt the steering bind a little bit. And down the hill we go! Whee! That was a lot of talking, Mark.
Yeah, I don't know how you do it.
Do what, the talking?
Talking, driving, pointing with your hands as you drive, everything.
It's more fun that way. Do I smell their clutch a little bit?
I don't know.
That was a really fun lap. I hope the camera is pointing in the right direction. All right. Ooh, the battery's charged. That's not like normal either.